And you can make a lot of money just by simply posting 3 to 4 times a day your ads mixed with good content on Instagram. You can make up to $5,000 a month. Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you the best 5 ways on how you can make a ton of money on Instagram just by simply posting ads and posting content, and you will earn money up to $5,000 a month every single month. So let's start right now. The strategy number 1 is to go into your profile and then into your bio add an affiliate link around the topic of picture and content that you have on your Instagram page. Let's say, for example, that you have a fitness page. Okay, you need to go on clickbank.com, as you can see on the screen, and here you will find a ton of products, and those are affiliate products. So every time that someone buys a product from this marketplace through your link that you have in the bio, you will earn a commission, and the percentage depends on every single product, but there can be a really good average of 10, 15, 20, $50 every single product. And you need to find something around your niche, around your topic. For example, a meal plan, a fitness plan, some exercises, or something like that. So every single person that will land on your profile, they will see the link, someone will click, and then some people will buy it because they are interested into the product and into the fitness space. And it works with every industry. And by doing that, you can pretty much make a lot of money just by simply posting content on Instagram and tell people to go and check your link in bio. The strategy number 2, it's made mainly for influencer. It's called Shoutout. Shoutout is pretty much that you pay me $20 in order that I post one of your picture to promote your page or your product or your service. And it works really good with influencers and with pages that has more than 10-20,000 followers. And by doing that, you can make people pay $5, $10, $20, $100, $1,000. It depends on the number of followers. You can make people pay you so you can promote their page. They will get more likes, they will get more engagement, they will get exposure, and they can also maybe give you a link to put in bio or the story swipe up. And by doing that, you will generate a ton of traffic and sales for those people, for those clients. So they pay you money, so you promote them, and they make money or they get followers for their own service. And this is one of the easiest way that you can make money on Instagram. The strategy number 3 is to collaborate with a brand and do product placement. For example, you wear a t-shirt of the company that pays you money, you drink something for a company, or maybe you just simply promote a product inside of your stories, inside your picture, and this company pays you, for example, $500, $1,000, $10,000 a month in order to promote that product. You need to have a really big audience in order to do that, and you need to promote that content in the right way, because if I tell you go and buy this t-shirt, maybe you will not do it. But if I explain to you why this t-shirt is good, that it's high quality, why it's important for this brand to get exposure and all those stuff, you will be more likely to make the decision to buy this product. So make sure that if you chose way number 3, so it's called product placement, to really create a story, create engagement around the product. So it's not a straight line where you tell people to go buy it, but you explain, you use it yourself, and you promote your product during a long period of time. But this is the most difficult but the most profitable, because you have every month money that comes in, because maybe you do a contract of 12 months, for example, $5,000 a month, and you will earn that amount of money every single month. Then the next way is to sell consulting. For example, if you are a personal trainer help other people get in shape by doing a consulting on Instagram, on Skype. Get clients on Instagram and then do a coaching call on Skype. You can do it for fitness, you can do it for soccer, you can do it for business, you can do it with whatever you want. Just choose a topic, choose a niche. It can be the business niche, and then you just need to tell people to just pretty much send you a private message, and then you will explain them how it works, the price and what they get after your consulting, and then you will set up a call with them for 15, 20, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and they maybe pay you $100 an hour. And by doing that, you can easily see that you will make a ton of money, you will help a ton of people, and it's one of the easiest way on how you can make money on Instagram, because you sell your own information. And probably you're thinking, but I don't have value, I don't have information to sell. Yes, you are able to do something that other people are not able to do it, and they will pay you money in order to teach them how you do it. It can be how to get a relationship, it can be how to eat in the right way, how to work out, how to start a business, how to advertise, how to play soccer, baseball, with every single sport, how to take care in the right way of a dog, of a cat. There can be a ton of ideas. You just need to create the right profile, post good content, and then tell people that you do this type of service. And the last way is to sell your own merch, your own t-shirt, your own product. It can be a physical product or it can be a digital product, a PDF, a course, it can be a t-shirt, it can be some little gadget that you do, it can be whatever you want, but just make sure to have a product. So by doing that, people can get in touch with you, can ask you information through your Instagram page, and then maybe you send them to your e-commerce store, or you just simply ask for the money through PayPal and then you send the item to them, just simply doing this on the Instagram chat. It's up to you. And if you are already good on Instagram and you are making good money, right now you need to go on TikTok so you can get a ton more followers on TikTok and then bring those people from TikTok to Instagram. I have just made a video right here where I show you exactly how you can go viral on TikTok. I see you there.